Hey chefs, welcome back. Welcome back to Auntie Nina's Kitchen. Guys, thank you for all the love. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend that I'm still cooking. Remember to turn that notification bell on so as soon as my video comes around, you'll be the first to notify so you can see what's happening in Auntie Nina's Kitchen. Well, today we're going to be featuring some stewed chicken. I've already seasoned my chicken, but I'm going to give you guys all the ingredients that I'm putting in and that I already put in. Okay, guys? So just follow me into the kitchen. Okay, chef, so I use some cayenne pepper, some adobo, some soy sauce, browning. I have some easy spice, all-purpose. I also use some Maggi all-purpose and a little bit of our Jamaican jerk sauce. So guys, I don't normally use salt because most of these season already have high salt count in it, so I try to use less salt. So I'm gonna put my pot on to preheat and then I'm gonna show you my steps. Okay, guys? Okay, chef, so I put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil in my pot, and then I'm gonna pour my seasoned chicken in. I'm using a whole chicken and I cut my chicken into small bite size. So I did cut them in small bite size, and it's a whole chicken that I'm using. Okay, guys? I'm pouring it into my hot oil. Okay, chef, so I stir fry my chicken. Just stir fry it for like 5 minutes, and then you can look at it where it's at now. Look like it's ready, but it's not. I'm gonna add some water, but I'm gonna be adding boiling hot water to it. I add enough water to cover the chicken. Or not completely, but cover. Now that I put the water in, guys, I'm gonna cover to cook. Okay, chef, so I cut myself some bell pepper, some scotch bonnet, some scallion, onion, and some thyme. I'm just cutting them, getting them prepared, so when my stew chicken is ready for me to add, then I will add, and I have a little secret ingredients that I add to my stew chicken, so I'm going to share that with you guys in a few minutes. Okay, chef, so this is 30 minutes into the cooking process. They start falling a little bit off the bone, so I know it's ready. I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning, which is my bell pepper, hot pepper, green onion, and a piece of thyme. And I told you guys I'm gonna put my secret ingredients in, which is my homemade barbecue sauce. And then I'm gonna have it cooked down for another 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna plate, guys, and let you see the finished product. It's a quick 30 minutes to 35 40 minutes, you could get a meal out of this. Ready. Okay, chef, so I just turned my pot off. Look at my finished product. It's looking so good. It's tasting so good. It's a little bit spicy, but we can handle that in this house. So I'm gonna plate now. I'm serving mine with some bulgur, guys, but I'm gonna be doing a video on how I cook my bulgur. So just give me 1 minute and I'll be right back. All right, your time now. Okay, chef, so we have come to the end of my stew chicken video. Guys, look at that. It's tasting so delicious. It's a little bit spicy, but we can handle it over here. So I prepared some bulgur and I put some salad, some plantain, but this is my stew chicken coming straight out of Auntie Nina's kitchen. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, like, leave a comment, and remember to turn that notification bell on, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.